Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to transfer Sweatcoin to Bybit. In order to do so, you first have to launch your web browser and in the search bar, you will have to type Bybit. After that, you need to provide your email address and your password and you simply need to log in into your Bybit account. Now once you are successfully logged in, you need to click on this deposit tab in the top. Afterwards, you will be redirected on this deposit page where you need to fill out these details. Now over here, you need to select the crypto. So in order to select it, you simply need to click on this drop arrow button and among the given options, you will have to click on sweat. After that, it will ask you to select the chain. So you will be given two options, near and ERC20. So you will have to select near as you are going to pay a very less fees if you have selected near. Once done, you will be able to see the QR code as well as the near protocol address. So you just have to copy that address and you just have to launch that particular exchange or your wallet from which you are going to transfer your sweat coin. Let's say you want to do it on MetaMask, so you will have to click on MetaMask and after that you will have to click on tokens. In the tokens you need to click on import token and over here you need to paste that address and then you need to press next. Once done, you will be able to see the sweat coin over here, so you need to click on that sweat coin and after following further on screen instructions you just have to confirm your deposit. Once done, you just have to wait for some time until you see your sweat coin in your Bybit account. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.